wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Darussalam Breaking News. Meet me again with Kanjara Kisha Batisha, or you can call me Miss Icha, and I will be accompanying you to 30 minutes forward. The first breaking news today is about earthquake in Lombok that has destroyed the people since early August. Numerous earthquakes still following until today, destroying more and more village. We are going to see how the current conditions is after the latest earthquake and how people deal with the situation. I'm connecting to Mr. Emil, who is our reporter in Lombok. Hello, Mr. Emil. Please can you tell about the situations in Lombok after the earthquake destroys the Lombok Island?
Hello, Miss Ija, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for the time given to me. Now we can look to around me that a lot of buildings broke because of the earthquake. Many people looking for their family and report for their lost family. Now I want to ask some question for the one of the victims earthquake. Hello, good morning, Mister. Can I ask some question for you? I'm sorry, I speak with Mister.
Hi, good morning too. I'm Mr. Hadi.
How about the condition after the earthquake destroyed, Mister? Is it?
After earthquake it caused a lot of victims injured. Earthquake injured and there was intervened.
What does the government do after the earthquake destroyed?
Our government, especially the central government, give a lot of security and good for the victims earthquake.
Okay, thank you very much for your time, Mr. Edith.
You're welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, after we look the condition after the earthquake destroyed Lombok Island, we know that many people been suffered. So let's give our donation and praise for them. Ladies and gentlemen, maybe enough to me. We can back to the Miss in the Darussalam in the television. Thank you very much for the time and good morning.